negotiating with the Pentagon. We had a blue screen of death. That was the last straw. When you're holding the moon for ransom, you value stability in an application. Linux gives us the power we need to crush those who oppose us. It's compatible with our orbiting brain lasers. I've got a Beowulf cluster of atomic supermen. I have more friends now. Genetically engineered cyber goats, henchmen with bad teeth, gorgeous fembots with a penchant for evil. I mean, Linux runs on anything. I'm all about open source. It just changed my love life. You have to config it, and then you have to write some shell scripts, update your RPMs, you have to partition your drives and patch your kernel, compile your binaries, check your version dependencies, probably do that once or twice. It's just so easy. It's so simple. I don't see why most people don't run Linux. Thank God they don't, because then they'd all be supervillains, wouldn't they? I'm Steve, and I'm a supervillain.